O-rings sit inside many pieces of pool equipment that will need to be replaced over time due to wear and tear. One of the more common O-rings that needs replacement is located on the body of a cartridge filter. This large ring helps create a better airtight seal so that the filter can function properly. Have a flathead screwdriver and a lubricant handy as you replace the O-ring. We strongly recommend using Jack's Formula Multilube for its reliability on pool equipment. Before you begin, turn your shutoff valves to the proper position so that the water flow is stopped from both the skimmer and the return side. If you don't have shutoff valves, you can stop the water flow by using a Hayward 1022 black cap or some rags. With the water flow stopped, unscrew the black cap located at the bottom of the filter using your hands or a flathead screwdriver for leverage. This will neatly drain the trapped water and prevent messy spills as you separate the top from the bottom. Next, remove the top of the filter. Reach underneath the handles located on each side of the black ring located at the middle of the tank. Push in the tabs while turning the black ring until the top of the filter loosens from the bottom. Turn the top upside down to see the O-ring along the perimeter of the lid. Pinch the ring with your fingers to remove or use a flathead screwdriver for more leverage. You're now ready to install the new O-ring. To provide the best seal, gently apply a layer of Jack's Formula to the ring. Place the ring inside of the groove along the rim of the lid. Your new O-ring is set. Now, replace the filter top. Line up the top with the bottom half. Hold down the tabs underneath the handles and turn the top until both pieces are secured to one another. Your filter is now secured and ready to use. If you have any questions, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.